Hi everyone, in this quick guide, I'll explain what hibernation is on Windows 10, how it differs from sleep mode, and show you step by step how to use it. This method still works in 2025. Hibernation saves all your open apps and windows to the hard drive, then powers down your PC completely. Unlike sleep mode, it uses no battery, but when you turn your computer back on, you can pick up exactly where you left off. To access Hibernate, press the Windows key or click the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. Next, click the power button icon in the bottom right corner of the Start menu. This will display your power options. You'll now see options for sleep, shutdown, and hibernate. If hibernate doesn't appear, you can enable it through Control Panel power settings, but if it's listed, simply click hibernate. Remember, sleep mode is best for short breaks because it keeps the session in memory and uses a little power. Hibernate is best for longer breaks because it saves your session to disk and uses no power at all. Perfect for saving battery life, and that's how you use hibernation on Windows 10. It's a simple way to extend battery life while keeping your work safe and ready to resume. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows tips.